Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material features, then go for the remove material features. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. These are the steps I have followed to create this component. Now in this tutorial, we'll learn how to model this component step by step. To model this component, go to File, New. Here choose Model. Our units are in millimeter, so make sure you are choosing millimeter. Specify the file name and specify the location. Just OK. Now we have opened the model. I'm just keeping this file here. Now we'll start drawing this model. First we'll start with this base and vertical plate. Go to the sketch. I'm just taking the front plane. Just say OK. Take the profile. Start with the small line and press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Any complex sketch you are going at, first start with a small line and specify the dimension. Then move into the another lines. Specify this dimension as 96. Say yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have defined this line. Then we'll start defining the other lines. Close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now define other dimensions. This dimension is 34 plus 30. 64. And this thickness and this thickness are 16. First make these two lines are equal lines. Then specify the dimension of this line is 16. Press the roller to confirm. Now here you can see sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Make here as a symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 64. Here you can see. Just say OK. Now just hide the sketch. Now we have created this sketch. Then we'll create a rectangle here. Just rotate the object. Go to the sketch now. Select this face. Say OK. Now take a rectangle as a corner rectangle. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. This point and just put a rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension. The total length is 40 and the total height is 28. This length is 40. Just say yes. Press the roller to confirm. This height is 28. Just press the roller to confirm. Now sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Here just change the direction. Here the extrusion length is total 64 minus 22. 64 minus 22. Just say OK. Now we have created this sketch also. Now we just want to create this rib. For that just go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take a profile line. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Then only you can able to take the previous points. This point and this point. Just press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Here the sketch is fully defined because we have connected with these 2 points. Just finish the sketch. Now we just want to make a rib here. Just go to the rib. Here it will show the error because here you can see it is going outside. Change the direction here, this side. Now the error is came out. Now the thickness of this rib is, here they have specified as 12. Just specify this as a 12 and just say OK. Now just hide this sketch. Now all the add material features we have done. Now we'll start with the remove material features. First we'll remove material here. First go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take a line. Here make sure you are in the entire assembly. Start from here, here, here and here. Close the sketch. again press the roller to confirm. Now define the dimensions. This one is 20. Do you want to scale the entire case? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. And this one is 30. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have fully defined. Just go to the finish sketch, extrude, just change the direction, make sure until next, subtract, save OK. Now we have created this cut. Now we will create this cut here. For that, go to the sketch again, select the surface, say OK. Now take a circle, just put a circle here, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller. Now specify the dimension. The diameter is 24. Just say yes, press the roller to confirm. The center distance is 20. Press the roller to confirm. Now take a line. Half of the circle is not required. From this point to here, press the roller to confirm. From again this point to here, press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to define this line. This is 12. Again this also be 12. Now remove the unwanted edges using a trim. Delete this one, then close it. Now the sketch is fully defined. Finish the sketch, extrude, change the direction, until next, subtract, save OK. Now we have created a cut here. Similarly, we just want to create a cut here also. Go to the sketch again, select the surface, just say OK. Now take a circle, start from circle, press the roller to confirm. Now the circle diameter is 16 here. Just click here, the diameter is 16. Say yes, press the roller to confirm. Now take a rectangle from here to this edge. Just connect it to this point. Now the rectangle height is 20. This one is 20. This point and this point are connected. Similarly, this point and this also be connected. The center one and this side also be. From the center point to, just delete this rectangle first. First start with the rectangle. Just put the rectangle here. Just specify the height, which is 20, and specify this width as 16. Now this distance is 24. Completely defined. Now take a circle. This is the define the midpoint here. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a trim. That's it. Now define this radius. Radius is 8. That's it. Now just finish the sketch. Go to the extrude. Change the direction. Until next. Make sure you are in the subtract. Just save OK. Just hide the sketch. Go to orient view. Isometric view. Now we have completed this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In the next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Please continue watching my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.